Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your number one source for income-oriented investing. And in today's video, we're going to review a brand new income and growth-oriented ETF that just came out from Rex Shares, NVII, the Rex Nvidia Growth and Income ETF. This is an income-oriented covered call strategy. Let's dissect this ETF together in today's video. And just remember, guys, this is for educational purposes only. This is not financial or investing advice. So this one really caught my attention right away because it seems like, first of all, there's going to be some leverage on here. So if we scroll down, let's see what this ETF is all about. First of all, management fee, or the MER, expense ratio, whatever, 99, your pretty common one for a single stock income-oriented covered call ETF, if you will. But what really caught my attention is that they're only going to be doing covered calls on 50% of the portfolio, which means half of the ETF, there's no covered calls. It's just going to do whatever the Nvidia stock does. But another thing that really caught my attention is that that leverage, right? Because it's just like it says here, is to seek daily investment results between 105 and 150% of the common stock of Nvidia. So there's not much information here, but if you open the fact sheet, just click on this, where we'll have a little bit more information here. You see that they're targeting 1.25x, which is pretty much 25% leverage, right? 25%, which in Canada, you know, we have very popular, that's the most popular leverage amount. Covered call ETFs, right? You have covered calls on up to 50% of the portfolio typically, and then you have 25% leverage. You guys know that that's my favorite style or format of fund. So this is actually very unique, the first of its kind. Maybe this is going to start a trend finally for US listed 25% leverage covered call ETFs, which is absolutely fantastic. So it's going to have weekly income here. Right, half of the portfolio seeks to generate weekly income via covered call strategy. They say half because, just like it says here, they're only writing covered calls on 50% of the portfolio, and they're using short-term out of the money contracts. So it's actually the calls are going to be out of the money, so you're capturing a little bit of upside there, even with the portion, the 50% portion that they're writing covered calls on, and they're targeting 1.25x. But it says here that the actual leverage may range between 1.05 and 1.50, but the target, or I guess the average, is going to be approximately 1.25x. So this is really a way, it's not a hard ETF to understand, everyone. It's very simple. You're basically investing in Nvidia, 120 with 25% leverage approximately. So you have 125% exposure to Nvidia, plus they're writing covered calls on half of the portfolio. They're going to be out of the money calls, weekly income. So I do expect a pretty high yield with this one. My guess would be, of course, this is brand new. The first distribution hasn't been declared yet, but this really reminds me of the format that they do in Canada. More specific, I think the best ETF to compare it to would be the Harvest NVIDIA Enhanced High Income Shares ETF. This also holds only Nvidia. It has 25% leverage, and it writes covered calls on up to 50% of the portfolio. But I know for a fact that typically they do less than that. They actually started at 33% of the portfolio. So even less covered calls on this one, approximately the same amount of leverage. And this one right now is about 26% yield, everyone. But my assumption is that this one here, from Rex Shares, the yield is going to be a little bit higher. Another difference, by the way, this one pays out monthly. This is going to be weekly. So my assumption, my guess here is that the distribution rate, the annual distribution rate, and the weekly dividends are probably going to fluctuate. It's going to be probably in the 30%, early 30 to mid 30% range, because this one's 26 and they're doing covered calls on less than 50%. I believe right now it's about 33 to 50. So I expect a little bit more yield. And Rex Shares, their other covered call ETFs, for example, AIPI, which I think could also be a comparison. This one has 35% yield, and it has no leverage, no 25% leverage. And the biggest holding is Nvidia. There's other stuff that's maybe a little bit more volatile than Nvidia, which means they're taking in more premium, like Palantir, I believe. So I expect that the yield will be maybe similar to AIPI, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. We'll have to wait and see. But in terms of comparing it to the YieldMax one, the latest distribution from YieldMax was absolutely through the roof here, $1.62 from 67 cents and 78 cents. Right now, it's about 138% yield. But remember, YieldMax covers the main difference between the YieldMax one, in case you're wondering, and this one is the covered call strategy and the leverage. So YieldMax, there's no leverage, but it writes covered calls on 100% of the portfolio. So there's much less. You have a lot of upside cap when it comes to Nvidia here. You're literally getting half. They're writing covered calls on half of the portfolio here, whereas the YieldMax, they're writing, it's called YieldMax for a reason. They're covering 100% of the portfolio, no leverage. So personally, my personal opinion, I think this one is definitely much more superior. You're going to be much more superior because you're going to have maybe less yield because they're doing less covered calls. But if you really believe in Nvidia, and this is really an investment in Nvidia, this one's going to do better in terms of total return over time. Maybe it's not going to have the same amount of yield, but you're going to have more total return over time because they're writing less covered calls on this one. So you're going to capture more of Nvidia's stock price upside. Another thing that it looks like they're doing a synthetic strategy, just like the YieldMax ones, right? So hopefully my face is not blocking any of this. But if you look at the holdings, you could clearly see the synthetic strategy. So they're not actually holding Nvidia stock. Like for example, on the Canadian side, they don't do synthetic. They actually hold the Nvidia stock. What they're doing is they're writing a call and a put at the same strike price. You see that here to simulate or to capture the price movements of Nvidia. So I know many of you, or I've seen comments that there's more risk to doing it synthetically versus holding the shares. I personally asked Jay Pesticelli from YieldMax, and he said it's virtually the same thing. So I don't think there's any added risk of a synthetic strategy versus a regular strategy like Harvest does, but it's basically a synthetic strategy just like YieldMax does. Again, management fee is the same as YieldMax, I believe, but what makes this one special is really the leverage, and they're only covering half of the portfolio. That's why they call it growth and income. And you could see, so this is how they get exposure to Nvidia, these two, this call and put at the same price. And then here's the actual call option, which is already in the money, right? Because Nvidia announced a good quarter. It's already past $140. So this, they already reached a strike price for the, it's going to be exercised, the first call that they're actually writing. I don't know if this is the first call, but you could see here that the strike price is 138, and I believe Nvidia is higher than that. So very, very interesting stuff. We'll see if Rex Shares continues to add more to this series of single stock covered call ETFs with 25% leverage. And I think the leverage is going to be with swaps. It's not going to be like borrowed money. But either way, I personally like that amount of leverage. I think 25% is really a good way to, boost your yield, boost your performance, of course, over time. But of course, you're going to increase your volatility 25%. But if you really believe in this stock Nvidia long term, you shouldn't mind that capital fluctuation in your account. So guys, hopefully this was informative for you. Give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And please subscribe. We're about to hit 100,000. Help me get there. Subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, send this to your friends, and make sure they subscribe as well. I'm really looking forward to hitting that 100,000. Do you have any questions on this ETF? Let me know. But to me, very simple, right? So in summary, this ETF is an investment in Nvidia with 25% leverage. They're doing covered out of the money covered calls on half the portfolio. And I'm pretty certain that the yield is going to be fairly high. It's going to have also weekly distributions. I'm thinking it's probably going to have a yield in the 30% range, mid 30s. But again, remember that the weekly income could fluctuate. It's based on call premiums, right? Covered call income is based on the volatility of Nvidia. The more volatile Nvidia is, the more call premiums they're taking in, but the opposite is also true. Give me a thumbs up, guys, and see you next time.